Ever feel like your bank account is a black hole, sucking in money you can't quite account for? Like those sneaky subscriptions you forgot you signed up for, or those recurring charges that just appear. You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at our statements, wondering where it all went. And in that moment of financial frustration, a thought often pops up: there has to be a better way. Maybe you've heard whispers of a magical app, a financial superhero called Rocket Money, promising to tame the chaos. But what happens when you need a helping hand, a real person to talk to? What is the Rocket Money support number, and how do you actually get in touch? That's what we're diving into today. Transition to a slightly more animated, informative tone. Let's be honest, managing finances can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Rocket Money, with its promise of subscription cancellation, bill negotiation, and overall financial oversight, is a tempting beacon of hope. It's designed to simplify your life, to put you back in the driver's seat of your finances. But technology, as wonderful as it is, isn't always perfect. Glitches happen, questions arise, and sometimes you just need a human voice on the other end of the line. So, let's cut to the chase. The question on everyone's mind: where's that elusive Rocket Money support number? Well, here's the thing: Rocket Money, like many modern tech companies, primarily focuses on digital support. This means their main avenues for assistance are through their in-app help center and email. Now, I know what you're thinking: email? Really? In this day and age? And trust me, I get it. We're used to instant gratification, to picking up the phone and getting immediate answers. But there's a method to this digital madness. By centralizing support through these channels, Rocket Money can efficiently manage a large volume of inquiries and maintain a detailed record of each interaction. Let's break down the primary support methods Rocket Money offers. 1. The In-App Help Center. This is your first port of call, your digital encyclopedia of Rocket Money knowledge. Inside the app, you'll find a comprehensive help center that covers a wide range of topics, from basic account setup to advanced features like bill negotiation. How to access it: simply open the Rocket Money app, navigate to your account settings, and look for the Help or Support section. What you'll find: you'll discover a library of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides designed to answer common questions. These resources are organized by category, making it easy to find the information you need. Benefits: the In-App Help Center is available 24/7, allowing you to find solutions at your own pace. It's also constantly updated with the latest information, ensuring you have access to accurate and relevant guidance. 2. Email support. If you can't find the answer you're looking for in the Help Center, or if you're experiencing a more complex issue, you can reach out to Rocket Money's support team via email. How to find the email address: the easiest way is to look within the Help section of the app, or on their website. It is often hidden, and changes sometimes, due to security reasons. What to include in your email: be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your issue, including your account information, screenshots, and any relevant error messages. This will help the support team understand your problem and provide a timely resolution. Response time: while Rocket Money strives to respond to emails promptly, response times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries. Why no phone number? This is the big question, isn't it? Why does a service that handles your money not have a readily available phone number? Here are a few potential reasons. Scalability: handling a large volume of phone calls requires a significant investment in staffing and infrastructure. By focusing on digital support, Rocket Money can scale its operations more efficiently and keep costs down. Documentation: email and in-app support provide a written record of each interaction, which can be helpful for troubleshooting and resolving disputes. Efficiency: digital support allows Rocket Money to route inquiries to the appropriate specialists more quickly, resulting in faster resolution times. Security: digital communications can be encrypted and secured more easily than phone calls, protecting your sensitive financial information. Tips for getting the best support: while a phone number might not be readily available, there are steps you can take to ensure you get the best possible support from Rocket Money. Be specific. When contacting support, provide as much detail as possible about your issue. The more information you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to help you. Use screenshots. Visual aids can be incredibly helpful in explaining complex issues. Take screenshots of error messages or other relevant information and include them in your email. Be patient. While Rocket Money strives to respond to inquiries promptly, response times can vary. Be patient and allow the support team time to investigate your issue. Check the Help Center first. Before contacting support, take a moment to browse the in-app Help Center. You might find the answer you're looking for without having to wait for a response. Keep records. Save copies of your emails and any other communication with Rocket Money support. This will provide a record of your interactions and can be helpful if you need to escalate your issue. Navigating the digital support landscape. The shift towards digital support is a trend that's becoming increasingly common in the tech industry. While it might take some getting used to, there are advantages to this approach. It allows companies like Rocket Money to provide efficient and scalable support to a large number of users. However, the lack of a readily available phone number can be frustrating, especially when dealing with urgent or complex issues. It's important to understand the reasons behind this decision and to leverage the available support channels effectively. Alternative support options. While the primary support channels are in-app help and email, there are a few other avenues you can explore. Social media. Rocket Money may have a presence on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. You can try reaching out to them through these channels, although response times may vary. Community forums. Online forums and communities can be a valuable resource for finding answers to common questions. You can search for discussions related to Rocket Money and see if other users have experienced similar issues. Third-party review sites. Reading reviews and feedback from other users can provide insights into Rocket Money's support experience. The future of support. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative support solutions emerge. Chatbots, AI-powered assistants, and personalized support experiences are just a few of the possibilities. These advancements have the potential to make support even more efficient and accessible. In conclusion, while a direct Rocket Money support phone number may not be readily available, they do offer robust digital support options through their in-app help center and email. By understanding how these channels work and following the tips we've discussed, you can ensure you get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.